Hello, hi, Masa.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon. How is it going?
Yeah, it's going good. It's going good. How's it going? I'm sorry.
Oh,
By the way, I only have 15
yeah,
minutes.
that's fine. Oh,
Thank
nice,
you.
nice polo shirt.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
still working today,
Oh, yeah,
so
really? How is it? How's your work?
yeah, but
Just
okay. I mean,
at
just
home?
same as usual.
You're working at
hmm
home? At home
Yeah.
right now? Oh, wow. Hybrid. You are working hybrid, right? Home, at home, and in the office as well, right?
Oh no, I don't go
No?
to the office.
Ah, wow.
No, not at all.
So remote, 100%. Wow.
Yeah, 100% remote. Yeah. So,
It's
how's it
good.
going? How are you?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yesterday, I took a day off yesterday. Yeah,
Ah, okay,
just
cool.
relax for the whole day, So I just started actually this afternoon, conducting lessons again, but it's okay. Doing great. Yeah. Yeah, we have
Cool.
to be okay all the time. Even though it's really a challenging days. Yeah, I don't know how true it is. 100% I haven't confirmed yet that the president of this country is saying that I don't know, it's just like a joke, something like that, but it sounds
Mm.
serious, right? That those who will not take the vaccine will go to jail. I don't know if he's so
Oh,
serious about it. Have you heard about that, the kind of news in the Philippines? Yeah.
no.
No?
Never heard of it.
Yeah, I don't know if he's serious about it, but it's not a good joke, I think. Yeah, because
Mm.
what can you say about that? I mean, vaccine should be forced, should be mandatory, or voluntary?
No, it should be voluntary. I mean, obviously, like it's not a
Hmm.
like easy decision to actually
Yeah.
take the vaccine. Like to me as well, like I actually don't want to take it. So
Yeah,
so
I
yeah, if
agree
I
with
was like
that.
forced, yeah, if I was
Should be
like forced to
voluntary.
take it, yeah, well, I was like forced to take it. Like I'm just gonna hate. It really is ridiculous. I think mm, you can't force that, right? Like
Yeah,
that's
because they can't guarantee, right, your safety. I mean,
mm,
they're not sure. So,
so probably you can just like give some incentives,
encouragement,
like
yes.
instead of
Mm,
and
con-
like you just can encourage me, like
yeah.
incentives as well. Like, but you can't
Yes,
force.
incentives, yeah.
Yeah. So like let's say you can give some like coupon or like
True,
you can
true.
give them like some privileges, perks if you get vaccinated. But that's all you can
That's
do. You
true, that's
can't
true.
force, right?
You
That's what I
cannot.
think.
I really don't agree, making it mandatory because they cannot assure 100% safety of the
Mm,
vaccine because, well, we have a lot of, also sample of bad effect to some, to others, it may be okay, but not to everyone, right? It's not,
right.
we cannot say it's okay to everybody. For example, you say, oh, it's safe, it's 95% okay. But how about if that 5% is not okay to that person or to me? How can you guarantee that it's okay for my body? Right?
Mm.
Yeah, we have different bodies.
I think I think if you really want to force the
Mm,
vaccination, I think you have to like probably be responsible for whatever happens like
that's true.
after
That's
the
true.
vaccination, right? So like you can
Yes.
if you can say you can compensate all the hospital bills and if you get some symptoms or
Yeah,
side
yeah, yeah.
effects and if you you know for example if you become like unable to work anymore because of the vaccine and then the
Yeah,
country should be responsible
it
for
should
that
be
and the country
compensated, right?
yeah compensated
Mm,
like everything right like after like
yes,
for the rest of your life or something so
that's
like
true. That's
and
true.
if they can not like assure that level of
I
guarantee
definitely
or
agree with
the
that.
responsibility. I think, yeah, well, it shouldn't be
That's
forced.
true.
It should
That's
be
true.
really voluntary, I think.
Yeah, that is very true. I agree with that definitely. And well, aside from that, we may not see, let's say, for a month or for a year, we may not see any immediate effect. Okay,
Mm.
but who knows? Who can tell the future, right? The future side effect or
Yeah,
the
exactly.
the 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 effect with the DNA. Who can tell, right? Uh,
Mm.
Some are saying that it could even change the DNA. It can even like,
Mm.
well, basically we can say not change, or it can do something about the DNA that would affect something inside. You know, we are not really sure because I can say this is just like a testing, right? Like a testing,
Mm.
and you can also notice that it was very fast, right? It's like they are
Mm.
forced to really finish it. For example, do we have like a cure or vaccine for cancer? No, we don't, right?
Mm.
Until now. But
I
how
think,
come?
yeah,
Yeah, right?
y- yeah, you're right. I think it's still on a testing phase. Like it's not really like validated
Hmm.
in terms of the like even the efficacy and
Hmm.
also the safetyness as
Exactly.
well. Well, I think you also mentioned that it was too fast and too
It
really like
is
quick for them
very,
to
very
come
quick.
out with the vaccine, right? So
Yeah.
I would say they didn't have like enough time to actually like do detailed or proper
Hmm.
examinations on
That's
that
right.
part.
That's right.
They couldn't validate you know the vaccine itself. So
Yeah.
um, I would definitely say there's gonna be like more effects, unexpected effects, I would say.
I believe so, yes.
So you don't want to take it, like
I
the
really don't.
vaccine?
I really don't. Yeah. If really it's like an option, I wouldn't take it.
Mm,
Because my principle is that isn't it many people get infected by the virus and then they recovered, right? They
mm-hmm.
recovered. So, but on the other hand, there were people who get the vaccine and died, right? Or
Yeah.
something happened to them. So if I were to choose, I'm not. I mean, I will just like keep myself safe, like by staying at home, right?
Mm,
In order for me not to get infected, rather than get the vaccine so that I can go out anywhere,
yeah.
right? So other people opted to have the vaccine because they want to travel anywhere they like, something like that. Okay, so
Mm,
that's I think what you're saying about the reward compensation, right?
uh,
That you can go
yeah, yeah.
anywhere. Yeah.
Yeah, well, you can actually provide like additional rewards as well. Like you can maybe give you some like actual coupon or discount on something.
That's
Like
good
monetary
also.
maybe the
Yeah, yeah.
rewards or something. So like yeah, like you mentioned that like um the option that you can take, because you get vaccinated will be some incentives or maybe some motivation for you to take vaccines.
Yes,
And
yes,
that's
that's
like
right.
already kind of enough, right? You can kind of limit the activities that the people
Yes.
who are not vaccinated can do.
Yep.
So maybe like those kind of things can make a difference between them,
Right, right.
and then like that kind of encourages people to get vaccinated. And plus you can, yeah, again, you can provide some like monetary ones as well. So
Yeah.
if you get vaccinated, you can some get some discount on I don't know, like restaurant or
Yeah.
maybe the plane fees or something like that, you can do that. Yeah.
Yes.
And then to me, I think if it's like really necessary for me, like I would take it. Like I mentioned that,
Mm.
if it's like really like a requirement for like everyone, if
Mm.
someone like wants to travel or something, and then
Yeah.
I have to take it, right? But
Yeah.
like yeah, as long as I'm staying at home and there's like no requirement for me, I wouldn't take it. I'm just fine with it.
That's actually what will happen. I know that someday or even now, it will be difficult for anybody to travel without the vaccine. I think
Hmm.
so.
Hmm.
And then in the future, the worst is if there will be another pandemic in another setting like this. The worst is they can impose something like you cannot buy or sell without vaccine. It could
Hmm.
it could probably go into that effect. So that's I'm kind of worried about what will happen in the future.
Mm,
Cause yeah,
yeah, yeah, vaccine, I don't know. And like, yeah.